What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. This video is super exciting because we will be working on the frame on the 6.0 and it needs it so bad. Honestly, it's awful. So I actually finished the frame yesterday, but I am filming this today. One, because it goes smoother. Two, I know what I'm talking about. Having done it already and having the experience, I definitely feel more comfortable posting videos and like putting that stuff out there for you guys, because honestly in a lot of the videos I feel like I'm kind of just like listening to Ryan once and trying to repeat it to you guys. So anyway, I like this way better. I didn't film as much as I really wanted to. It was frustrating, you guys will see. Most of my time was spent messing with the sandblaster attachment, so towards the end we finally mastered it and I feel like we got it down to a T. So let's get right into the video. Please, in our backyard. What's up, you guys? Today is day 3 of sanding. So I already sanded this side. So you can see, I know there's sand on there so it's hard to tell, but this is what it looked like when I used the wire wheel past couple days, and I just felt like it wasn't getting it. So I went ahead and I started using the sand blaster thing again, and it worked a little bit. So let me show you guys how it turned out. I was actually really, you can't even tell now. I was actually really impressed how good it did. Look at that. It got everything off. Compared to this, which this is from using the wire wheel. So definitely not the same result. When I'm standing there in pain from holding the thing, the sander, and I don't even see results, it's really hard to stand here and do that literally all day long. So definitely really impressed with how the sanding did yesterday. Definitely gonna try a couple different things today so we can master it. I know it's not the best route, but it's what we're working with, so we're gonna try to make do with what we have, but thoroughly impressed with these results. This is what I want to see when I sand a frame. Just thought I would update you guys, just a little small thing while I wait for everyone to wakey. Bonus fine morning. Just thought I would throw you guys in the loop, get you guys in the loop. Alright, I can't talk. frame. So in total, this was actually a 4-day process. Now, probably would have taken someone else a little bit less time. One, I was learning during the whole thing, and two, I had a lot of issues holding the sander and getting the sandblaster to work, holding like the hand sander or the wire wheel, and also getting the sandblaster to work. I'm not thrilled how it turned out. We ran out of sand. Honestly, it was 4 days of trying to get sand to go through this freaking hose, and I'm tired of it. So it's definitely not where I expected it to be, but I'm happy at least showing you guys what I got done. I might hit it again like a little bit later, but I needed a break, a day break, at least a day off. That was brutal. So let's check it out. So definitely wanted the frame to turn out better. One, I think it had a lot to do with me doing it, to be honest, not to like put myself down. I had really struggled holding like the wire wheel. It's just heavy, and like I'm just, look how big my forearms are tiny. It hurts. So I definitely wanted to switch over to the sand blaster. I was basically saying I do not care if it works all the time, 50% of the time, or not at all. I want to try it just because it was just a little unrealistic for me. I was holding this wire wheel, it felt like, for hours and nothing was happening. So it's been kind of a frustrating process. After hours of finagling the sandblaster, I got it to work, and it worked really good consistently for about 1 minute on and off. So I did work with that, and it turned out okay, but let's show you guys. Obviously, like, not everything came off. It's not horrible. Like, when you look at everything sanded, I hit everything, honestly, except like my leaf springs, and like that's the drive shaft or the axle and stuff. But what am I doing with my hand? So I obviously didn't hit the axle or my leaf springs, but doesn't matter because leaf springs will be replaced and so will the axle. So don't look at that. I think it looks a lot better, you guys. Am I 100% happy with it? Not really, but definitely it's good enough to paint. Like, we got all this rust off, mostly on like the outside. The inside doesn't matter as much, but guys, it looks pretty stinking good. What it looked like before, it definitely is a big improvement. And yeah, I know it's like rusted over already kind of, but we're gonna paint it. So I definitely put a lot of time into this, and I wish it looked better, or at least I wish it got painted. We win some and we lose some. I'm just glad it's done, and for the most part ready for paint. Definitely look forward to the next couple videos. I'll be painting the frame. Our Banks bolt from the intercooler came in, so we're gonna zip that on, finish it up, and get the frame painted hopefully tomorrow or tonight if we're lucky. Thank you guys so much for all the support on my last video of my wheels. I struggled with that video a lot, I'll admit it, but the feedback was really great. So thank you guys so much, and thank you always for all your support. I appreciate you guys, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you, so just want to say thank you, and definitely tune into my next couple videos because they're going to get really exciting. And this truck is going to change quick, so definitely don't miss out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the little bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.